What's up mga kabites? We are at Pickup Coffee here sa Uptown, BGC. We are trying today their white mocha latte kasi nag-comment yung owner ng Pickup Coffee dun sa video ko sa Instagram. Sabi nila, if you like barista drink, you need to try white mocha latte. This is upsize. This is their regular size. It's my first purchase using their app.
May app na sila?
Yeah, first purchase mo sa app nila, may free drink ka, but hindi mo siya pwedeng i-upsize. Naka-seal siya, so you can just shake it. It's giving boba tea. It's giving milk tea. Unhealthy mag-alak, girl. Mas maganda lang ng gym, tapos ng church, dinner, ganon. Yun yung mga peg ko talaga ever since. Ato, shinake ko siya for you.
Taste test.
Kasi ikaw yung pinakamaarte sa atin
Uy,
dalawa.
masarap siya. 8.9/10 agad.
Oo, yung white mocha latte.
Oo, masarap siya.
Ito, i-rate mo na agad.
Marami na ako natikman na caramel macchiato from other coffee stores.
Shops, coffee.
Coffee shops. Okay, 7/10 siya.
Ito, 8.9.
At 8.9. Masarap siya.
Ito ang rating ko sa kanya, 8/10.
But 8 lang.
For me, it's bland.
It's not bland, ha?
I don't like their caramel macchiato. Let's give it another chance. I like that better. This is 7.5/10. Their caramel macchiato.
It's just so-so. Yun lang. Para siyang kasamang parang medyo burnt roast. Basque Hindi.
Cheesecake.
Burnt coffee na parang roasted.
Ito naman, reminds me of Kyoto Latte. Sa Arabica.
Ah.
Ito free. Ito 104 lang. Ayun lang. Bye.